So in today's ridiculous machining project, I've got a surface grinder and I've got a cheap Stanley plane that I've tried to flatten with sandpaper and a flat plate. You can see it's sanded there, and it's really taking a long time to do with just sandpaper. So if you have a surface grinder, might as well use it. So I'm going to surface grind the edges first so it'll stay better in the vise, and then I'll set it up in my vise, probably that way, and surface grind the base. So let's get started. So that does a really nice job. The sides nicely ground, the bottom nicely ground. So I don't know if it'll make any difference for how it planes, but it certainly looks a lot better. Well, if you like this video, I hope you'd consider subscribing to my channel. I don't have very many subscribers right now, so any little bit will be a great help to the channel. So if you really like the channel and want to support me, I have a Patreon account set up. And if you don't want to do that, I hope you'd at least consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.